Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 5 best palm routers. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. R20 EVs. Colt 1.0 HP Variable Speed Palm Router. 5.6 amp motor, soft start, constant response circuitry, ergonomic grip, rugged aluminum base, quick clamp system, 1/4 collet. Brand, Bosch. Material, plastic. Power source, AC/DC. Voltage, 120 volts. PR20 EVS Colt Palm Router features a 1.0 horsepower 5.6 amp variable speed motor with speeds from 16,000 to 35,000 RPM. Convenient, provides a straight edge guide to lead router along edges of workpiece or up to 3 5/8 inch from edge. The wood router also features an angled cord exit to keep the cord out of the way when working. Durable, the rugged aluminum fixed base of the wood router is durable, solid, and precise. The PR20 EVS features unique finger support pockets for additional stability, especially when trimming edges. Precision, the fast and precise depth adjustment system allows both macro and micro adjustment, while the quick clamp system allows motor to be easily adjusted or moved from base to base. Versatile. The PR20 EVS provides enhanced bit capacity with a fixed base that accepts bits up to 1 5/16 inch in diameter. Versatile bit changing system allows for fast, easy bit changes using 2 wrenches or spindle lock in 1 wrench. Number 2. VID Power 6.5 amp 1.25 HP Compact Router. Tools for woodworking, fixed base wood router with trim router bits, 6 variable speeds, edge guide, roller guide, dust hood, red, 65mm. Brand, Avid Power. Material, acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, ABS, aluminum. Power source, corded electric. Powerful motor and variable speed, 6.5 amp motor with max horsepower of 1.25 delivers abundant power for a variety of routing and trimming applications. The variable speed control dial, 10,000 to 32,000 RPM, allows users to choose a more appropriate speed for different materials. Precise operation and LED lights, smooth rack and pinion depth adjustment system ensures precise operation for a range of cabinetry and woodworking applications. Dual bright LED lights illuminates dark working areas. Ergonomic design and convenience, rubber-covered handle for comfortable grip, the quick locking system for convenient depth adjustments and base change. Durable housing and clean job site. The aluminum body and base for long-term durability, dust hood removes dust to leave a clean workspace. Package included 1.25 HP compact router tool with 12.1 FT/3.7 M cord, 5 router bits, edge guide, roller guide, dust hood, 3/8 and 1/4 collet, wrench. Number 3. DEWALT Router, fixed base, 1 1/4 HP, 7.7 amp, variable speed trigger, corded, DWP611. Brand, DEWALT. Material, blend. Power source, corded. Durable 1.25 HP motor delivers the power to meet the toughest applications. Variable speed control feature enables bit speed to be optimized for changing applications. Soft starting motor features full-time electronic feedback that maintains motor speed through the cut. Dual LEDs and clear subbase ensure maximum visibility in operation. Adjustment ring enables controlled bit depth changes to within 1/64 in. Large, low-pressure spindle lock button allows for comfortable, single wrench bit changes. Multiple shaft lock detents enable quick and simple bit changes. Number 4. DEWALT 20V Max XR Cordless Router. Brushless, tool only, DCW 600B. Brand, DEWALT. Material, blend. Power source, battery powered. Voltage, 20 volts. Dual LEDs help illuminate the work surface. Variable speed dial allows the user to match speed of the router to the application. Depth adjustment ring allows for fast and easy height adjustments. Soft start motor with full-time electronic feedback allows the motor to maintain speed during cuts. Electronic brake slows the motor down faster after the unit is shut off. Number 5. Makita RT0701C1 and a quarter HP compact router. Brand, Makita. Material, alloy steel. Power source, hand-powered. Variable speed control dial, 10,000 to 30,000 RPM, enables user to match the speed to the application. Smooth rack and pinion fine depth adjustment system for more precise settings. Slim and ergonomically designed body for increased comfort and control. Quick release cam lock system for easy depth adjustments and base removal/installation. Electronic speed control maintains constant speed under load. Soft start feature for smooth startups. Fixed base accepts industry standard template guides for convenience. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.